Check. In this episode, we will be installing Python. But don't worry, it's not the nasty type of snake that eats women and children. Well, actually they do. But this is the friendly type that helps us run computer programs. So let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is download Python from python.org. So head over to the website and then you want to click on the downloads button. And at the time of recording, the latest version of Python that is available for download is version 3.12.0. Note that if you are planning to use PyTorch with Python, you may have to download a previous version. Just make sure to check the PyTorch support requirement page. Next, we want to click the Download Python button. Once it has finished downloading, you can click Show in Folder. And you may have to refresh your folder to get the unconfirmed download to disappear. Now double click on your Python executable. In the installer window, you want to make sure that use admin privileges when installing py.exe is checked, as well as add python.exe to path. And then you can left click install now. Click yes to allow it through your user control. After the Python installer finishes, you can click close on the window. Now we just want to check and make sure that Python was installed correctly. We are going to go see if PIP is working. To do that, go to your search bar or your search icon and open up PowerShell. So look for Windows PowerShell, left click on it. Now, in the window, you want to type in pip space -- version and hit enter. Okay, so we have pip version 23.2.1. So we have successfully installed Python. It would say Python 3.12, except I rolled Python back to 3.11 because at the current time, PyTorch is not working with Python 3.12. If this video helped you out and you're following the AI voice changer series, make sure to check this next video. We're going to install PyTorch and then we're going to finish up installing our AI voice changer.